Now let's take a look at how your platform engineers and your application engineers can each make each other more effective and more productive if they collaborate using the Agile Cloud Manager. This can be accomplished by separating responsibilities at each of 4 layers that we'll illustrate in this video. First, at the highest level, we have the command line interface that we reviewed in the last couple of slides. Your platform engineers write pipeline code that utilizes the Agile Cloud Manager's command line interface, while your application engineers can contribute to requirements for the pipelines and can also use the pipelines. And remember that the Agile Cloud Manager's command line interface is drastically reducing the amount of pipeline code so that this collaboration can happen a lot more efficiently, because pipelines can become a lot simpler when you use the Agile Cloud Manager to list only a small number of CLI commands instead of having to rewrite huge quantities of logic in each pipeline like you would have to if you were not using the Agile Cloud Manager. At the next level, you have the modeling of the systems and the appliances that we've discussed in prior slides, where you have the Agile Cloud Manager's domain-specific language that has an appliance template in a file called acm.yaml that might only be a few lines that list system configuration file names, and then you have all of these system configuration files. At the level of these objects, your platform engineers write system templates, they write appliance templates, and your application engineers can contribute to the requirements for systems and for appliances. Next, a layer down, you have the basic building blocks that you already have in your enterprise. You already have templates using languages like CloudFormation or ARM templates or Packer templates or Terraform templates or other types of templates, and you've already got scripts and playbooks using other types of tools like Ansible or Chef or Puppet. Your platform engineers are going to write these basic templates, and here, using the Agile Cloud Manager, they're able to write fewer of these templates because the Agile Cloud Manager makes it a lot easier for you to reuse all of the templates. Your application engineers can contribute to the requirements for infrastructure, and your application engineers can also write scripts to deploy applications and to test applications, which can be integrated into the pipeline. At the lowest layer, you've got logging that's provided by the Agile Cloud Manager each time one of the command line interface commands is run. And you can see that both platform engineers and application engineers are using the logs that are provided by the Agile Cloud Manager. If you look at this all together, you can see that at these 4 different levels, you've got a number of different things that different types of engineers are able to look at, but they're all part of a coherent system. And when you apply the Agile Cloud Manager, you're able to organize all of these layers so that the different types of engineers in your organization can enable each other to become a lot more productive and a lot more effective than they would be if they did not have these 4 different interfaces to simplify their interactions with each other and to simplify the work that they each have to do. You can download the Agile Cloud Manager for free at agilecloudinstitute.io, and you can hire the Agile Cloud Institute to perform technical support, training, and consulting. You can get more information and you can contact us through agilecloudinstitute.io.